Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the VisitACity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the contact us button. And as you can see, here's the page. So you have to type in your email. You have to give a subject. This can be the problem or the question that you have regarding the application, and then the message. So try to be very specific about your question and problem, and they will reach out to you in a few days. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.